Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to dispute a transaction on Atlas. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to dispute a transaction on Atlas. Alright, now let's get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Atlas account. You can choose to log in on the online banking platform, that's the Atlas website, or you can choose to log in on the Atlas mobile app on your mobile device. Now once you're logged into your account, you're just going to select the credit card accounts that you want to dispute a transaction on. Just select that from the accounts dashboard, and then you're going to click on transaction disputes, and then you're going to select the transaction that you want to dispute from the list. And then you're going to review and provide documentations to support the dispute, such as receipts or invoices that's going to support that claim. And you just confirm the transaction dispute and review the dispute status. So Atlas is going to work on that, and you're going to receive a decision on the dispute. And if resolved in your favor, you're going to receive a credit or refunds. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to dispute a transaction on Atlas. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys